That's a nice bass, man. Got him. Oh, he's a bigger one. There's a bite. Ooh, got him. He's decent too. What the kind of person parks like this? I'll tell you what kind of person parks like this. This guy right here, because he's a Hobie owner.
One that means fitness.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited for this weekend because me and my buddy are celebrating his birthday by going up, do some camping, some kayak bass fishing up at Lake Erie. I've never been here before, so I don't really know what to expect. From what I understand, East Harbor, West Harbor isn't really the right habitat for smallmouth bass, so we're going to try a couple different tactics and go after some largemouth bass there and hopefully hook into some big ones. I appreciate you guys watching. If you do like this video, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that little bell as well, so you guys can get notified when I put out a new video. Good morning, guys. We're on the water out here at East Harbor. We didn't do any good yesterday at Middle Harbor, so we're going to try out here. We were thinking about trying by the buoy line, trying to find a couple spots that my buddy Dustin had success in at his tournament earlier this year. But man, it's crazy windy if you guys can't tell. It's only supposed to be 12 miles per hour, but when you're out here on big water like this, it feels like 50, I swear. But we're going to go back into some of these little marinas, see if we could get some relief from the wind, bang the banks, and try to figure out if we could get some largemouth bass in the boat today. Wish us luck, guys. Are you untying for me or am I untying from you?
It'd be better if you untied for me that way, because I've got a rudder back there that'll get tangled up in.
I'll just go and float around because look, I can't even go forward. That's hilarious. I didn't even realize there's docks behind me. Cool story. Dude, I don't even know if I could fish, Dustin. This wind is too terrible. I can't handle it. So Dustin, being the kind gentleman that he is putting his sweet trolling motor back on this kayak, and he's going to pedal, and hopefully I could at least figure out how to work this thing. I appreciate you, dude. We got the motor on here. It's definitely a little different for me. I've never used this before. This is initially why we decided to use his kayak, but we just didn't swap it out earlier. All right, guys, we're out here on West Harbor for the evening bite. We tried Middle Harbor, we tried East Harbor, haven't found any success yet. Hopefully this evening brings us at least a couple fish. I've just been fun fishing, just trying to catch whatever, doing finesse tactics and things like that, and haven't been able to put the puzzle pieces together quite yet, but hopefully we could figure something out here. Like the game plan for me, I'm going to hit up a lot of these docks and this riprap around here, these long stretches of riprap, look for some points. I'm hoping, based upon the research I've done, one of the patterns out here is hitting up points that don't have all this eelgrass on them. So stick with us, stay tuned. Let's see if we can figure them out today, guys. Jeez, I thought you hooked into a monster. You got him? That's a nice bass, man. Good fish, dude. You turn them up, man. There's a bite. Ooh, got him. He's decent too. Oh gosh, dude. Oh, what is this? A catfish or something? It's big, whatever it is. It's fighting like a catfish. Oh, it's a drum. A big old drum. I knew I should have brought my net. Holy crap, I got a big old drum. Hold on, I'm gonna try and lip him. This is my PB drum right here. Whoo! About time I caught a fish. I don't even care if it's just a drum. That's a big freaking drum, boys and girls. Look at this thing. Something tells me he's gonna freak out any second now. It's been a freaking grind, guys. Been a grind for these fish, but a fish is a fish, man. Oh, that's probably a 4-pound drum right there, guys. Awesome. Awesome. I thought he was a bass or a catfish. We'll let him go though. See you later, buddy. Yeah. All right. Got a nice bass, man. Not too bad. Probably 12 or 13 inches. Caught this one throwing a little crawdad bait. I'm just throwing a 3/8 ounce tungsten weight on there. Little crawdad rig. Caught this little guy. First bass of the trip. Couldn't be happier. Let's hopefully get some bigger ones, guys. Yes! We finally figured out at least a good location to go after some largemouth bass. It's been a grind. I mean, so far, 2-3 different trips at 2 different locations. Finally started getting into some fish over here at West Harbor. This is definitely going to be where we come back tomorrow morning for our last little outing. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you do, make sure you smash the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and that little bell as well so you guys could get notified when a new video drops. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Hey Dustin, what are your predictions for this morning?
Cubs win.
Cubs win by 10? I hope the bite's better than it was yesterday. Time to get our stuff ready. Alright guys, we're back out here at Lake Erie, West Harbor. Hoping to capitalize on some of the stuff we learned yesterday. So yesterday, I caught a big drum on a wacky rig, and then I caught a little bass on a beaver style crawl bait, just dragging it on the bottom next to some rocks. My buddy Dustin, he got on some nice ones yesterday. He caught a little guy on a chatterbait, and then on the wacky rig he caught probably 17 or 18 inches. So hopefully we could do some good today before we head out here and head back home, and hopefully just have a good time, man. I appreciate you guys watching. Ooh, got him. Sweet. There we go. Right where he should have been, on the wacky rig. Not a bad fish. Tiny little guy. Let's let him go, get some more before I run into this boat. Got him. There we go. Little guy. These dinks are loving the wacky rig. I'm just casting it right along this dock. This dock looks really good, and right next to these rocks there's two different elements coming together, so it's makes for a good little spot for bass. Maybe there's a bigger one out there. Let's see. Got him. Oh, he's a bigger one. Yeah, dude. Nice one. Yeah. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Wacky rig, baby. That's not a bad bass at all, guys. That's more what I'm after. Looks like we found a decent little spot. Caught this nice little largemouth on the wacky rig right between this dock and these rocks. This bank, it's all shaded. It looks really nice back here. I caught 3 fish out of the same little area, so that might be the pattern for today, guys. This is exciting. Now I'm starting to get pumped up. We're finally figuring them out. Let's let this guy go. Got him. Oh, he got off. Son of a gun. Huh. I want to throw cranks. Everybody else is throwing cranks.
I threw one. Didn't do anything.
Well, I mean, it depends on where you're at. If you throw it all day along the riprap, like, and stay committed to it, it might be good. Got him. Little guy. Sweet. Another little dinker. Let's see if this riprap holds some more. Got him. Was this a catfish? No, that's a bass. Man, tearing them up. They don't got much size to them, but little bass. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I had a really good time out here on Lake Erie. found that the most productive spot is hands down West Harbor. So if you guys are interested in bass fishing out here and banging the banks, hitting some riprap, throwing some wacky rigs, finesse style jigging and stuff like that, this, in my opinion, would be one of the better spots out of East Harbor, Middle Harbor, and West Harbor. But I appreciate you guys watching. If you do like this video, smash the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and that little bell as well, so you guys could get notified when a new video drops. Peace.